Welcome back to Smart Education. Today we are going to study Chapter 8 Quadrilateral Construction and Types of Class 8. Practice set 8.2, question number 5, that is length of diagonal of a rhombus ABCD are 16 cm and 12 cm. Find the sides and perimeter of the rhombus. Before starting this sum, I want to request my all viewers who are watching first time, please subscribe my channel. So question number 5, as you can see, what is given, the length of diagonal of rhombus ABCD are 16 cm and 12 cm. So first we will draw. So I'm drawing here. This is our diagram with diagonals. Okay, this is my rough diagram. I'm just showing you. This is 0. Okay, so A, B, C and D. Okay, what is given? Rhombus ABCD are 16 cm and 12 cm, that is diagonals. So AD so this is question number 5. Diagonal of rhombus ABCD are 16 cm. So here AC is what? 16 cm. Okay, and DB is 12 cm. These both are diagonals. Okay, now we have drawn this picture. So find the sides and perimeter of the rhombus. So we have to find the perimeter of rhombus. I will start with solution. Here what is given? Quadrilateral ABCD is rhombus. Okay, this is rhombus. Now here what is given? AC equal to 16 cm. Okay, and BD equal to 12 cm. It is given. Okay, now here we'll take AO. Therefore AO is equal to 8 cm. Why 8 cm? It is a half of AC. Okay, this is half of AC. So AO is equal to half of AC. Now here BD having 12 cm. Okay, now here therefore BO equal to 6 cm. Why? Because BO is equal to half of BD. I hope you understood. Now next, angle AOB is what? Equal to 90 degree. Why? Because diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals are perpendicular bisect to each other. Okay, now here therefore AB, what is given? AB we have to find. So AB is equal to, AB square is equal to AO square plus BO square. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Now here AO is what? AO square is 8 square, BO square is 6 square, equal to 64 plus 36, answer is 100. Okay, AB square. Now after removing square we'll get what? 10 centimeter. AB is what? 10 centimeter. Now perimeter of rhombus we are going to find out. Sorry, perimeter of rhombus equal to 4 into sides. Okay, so what we find out? AB is 10 centimeter. So side is what? 10 centimeter. So 4 into 10 is equal to 40 centimeter. Now we have find the side, that is AB is equal to 10 centimeter and the perimeter of rhombus is 40 centimeter. Okay, I hope you understood question number 5. Now we are going to solve question number 6 of 8.2. Now next question is given, find the length of, question number 6, find the length of diagonal of a square with side 8 centimeter. So square sides are given 8 centimeter. So we have to find the length of diagonals. Now here this is the diagram of question number 6. This is quadrilateral square ABCD. Okay, so sides are sides are given 8 centimeter. So I am writing here 8 centimeter. Now to start with solution we have to find the length of diagonals. We have to find the length of diagonals. So I am writing here, in quadrilateral ABCD is square. Okay, here AB is equal to BC and BC is equal to CD. CD is equal to AD equal to 8 centimeter. So we are having equal sides with equal length. Okay, now in triangle AB, so here ABCD. Okay, now here in triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degree. Okay, here therefore AC square equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. Now here AC square, we have to find the AC square, we have to find the diagonals. So I am writing here AC square is equal to, AB is what given? 8 square, BC is also 8 square. So here 64 plus 64 will come. AC square is equal to 64 plus 64. Again AC square is equal to 128. Now we'll take square root here, 128 centimeter. Now AC is equal to 64 to the that is 128. Now again AC is equal to 8 root 2 centimeter. This is our answer for question number 6. I hope you understood. Now we are going to solve question number 7, that is the last sum of practice set 8.2. Now question number 7 is given. Measure of one angle of a rhombus is 50 degree. Find the measure of remaining 3 angles. Okay, so remaining 3 angles we have to find out. Now here, as you can see, we are having one angle of rhombus is 50 degree, and find the measure of remaining 3 angles. Remaining 3 angles we have to find. So I am writing here, let quadrilateral ABCD is rhombus. Okay, angle A is equal to angle C, that is 50 degree. Angle A is given 50 degree, so angle C is also 50 degree. Why? Because of opposite angles are congruent. Opposite angles are congruent. Now therefore A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360. Why? Because angles additional property. Okay. Now next, therefore A is what we are having, 50 plus B is X plus again C is what, 50. We got 50 here. Now 50 plus again D is what, X equal to 360. Now this both will become 100 plus 2x is equal to 360. Therefore 2x is equal to 360 minus this will come this side, means it will become minus 2x is equal to 260. X is equal to 260 upon 2. Now this get cancelled, will get 130. X is equal to 130 degree. So therefore angle B equal to angle D equal to 130. This is our answer for question number 7. We have completed practice set 8.2. I hope you understood. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.